In a shocking incident, a man stole a police officer's mobile phone right inside the Gadag City Police Station. The accused, identified as Mulla, executed the theft while conversing with a female police staff member. Taking advantage of the moment, he discreetly slipped the phone into his pocket after diverting her attention. The entire act was caught on the station's CCTV cameras, providing clear evidence of the theft. Investigations revealed that Mulla had come to the station in connection with a hotel dispute. He was reportedly supporting an individual involved in an altercation over an unpaid bill. While an inquiry was taking place inside, Mulla, standing outside, seized the opportunity to commit the crime. Following the incident, police have launched a search operation to apprehend the accused. Further investigations are underway.